Let me zoom in here.
All right, come on over on this side too.
Ooh.
That's what you want to show them what it looks like. This is what we're trying to remove. It's a quick connect AC line. There's one on the other side on the humidifier. That'd be cool. And they're a pain in the butt.
You need to get a special tool.
There's also some here. Show them these little bit smaller ones. And they're a pain in the butt if you don't know what you're dealing with. This one guy on YouTube showed me his tool he bought to take these off.
What's the name of the tool?
It's a quick connect removal tool. Whatever. You'll see it on YouTube. Anyway, see that? It's on there. It's coming off. No way in hell. But they move this way and this way. Yeah. So, anyway, the guy's tool wraps around here and clamps together and has a little piece that goes up in this groove.
Nothing.
Now, show them the groove on that little one. See this groove right here? All the way around?
Yeah.
It goes up in that groove. It presses in on the spring and makes it release.
Yeah.
So I'm like, well, found out it's $20 for the tool. So I made my own by taking a hose clamp, cut it off. So it used to be fixed right here. And I cut it off there. Got rid of this part. And then I've got it just the right size for this. So put it on right here so I can sit. Put it on down here with skinniness. That's on there now. And that's tight. I'm going to push it up into that groove we showed you earlier. Oh, there it goes in that groove. Alright, now, once you got it in the groove, get over and show them it, unless you can. It's in the groove. What I do is put these pliers on here. Yeah, but you maybe I'm on wide as I can get them. Put them on wide. There we go. Push this clamp up in there a little bit. I'm pushing. Now I'm pushing up on these pliers with this clamp piece I got in here. I push down on this and then down. See that?
Ooh, that was just too fast. That's cool.
Well, you see it where I'm pushing on the spring inside of this. Okay, look, I might get a little piece here. Hose clamp. Just hose clamp. Hey, you can see that spring up in there. See this hose clamp? Boom, right up in there. So when I push in on it, it releases that spring. And that's how it works. And then get ready to put it back on. That's why they call it quick connect. You just push it in there and it's connected.
The wonders of the automobile technology.
Do it again real quick. Just so pretty. Push it up in there. Yeah, up in that thing. That gap there. These pliers on there. So you get a little more to rip it with. Push up on it. There you go. See that? See it's coming out of the gap right now. What's in there? And that's not good if you don't have the $20 to buy the tool.
Little
Alright,
beans.
later.